our last Lush video where Derek dumped a mug full of boiling hot oil all over his head, I thought we should do another Lush video. So today I have this little bag full of the weirdest Lush products that I could find, and some of them I think are gonna be really helpful for traveling in particular. So stick around to find out what those are. Hello and welcome to the Queendom. I'm Sarah Engel, and today we have a whole bunch of Lush products. It's like a mini Lush haul, but full of like the weirdest products that I could find there. What I'm most excited for this is I found some products that I'm gonna be using for traveling from now on that are gonna make my traveling life so much easier. So I'm not even gonna spend a lot of time explaining all the whys and whats. We're just gonna go through the bag of mysteries. I'm just gonna go ahead and start with things I'm really excited about. The things in these two bags I used this morning, so I can give my full review on them. And the things still left in here, I left for us to try on camera because they're a lot easier to try on camera. You'll see what I mean. So these are going to completely revolutionize my traveling life, maybe your traveling life. If you're anybody who travels with only a carry-on and does not check any bags, and your liquid bag is always full, this is going to help you. It's basically come to the point where if I'm traveling somewhere long enough that I'm going to need to wash my hair while I'm there, because a lot of times I make very quick trips, I literally will just buy at the store like the 99-cent Tresemme conditioner and the 99-cent Tresemme shampoo and just leave it there instead of trying to bring it back with me. This, on the other hand, you can bring it with you. You don't have to try and go find shampoo once you're there. And it's not liquid. I gotta show you. So inside of here is the first one. It's called Scenic Shampoo Bar. So basically you get your hands wet and you scrub it on your hand, lather it up, and then you can put it in your hair. They have tons of different kinds, colors. I honestly just got this one strictly because it reminded me of Cookie Monster.
That's good enough for me.
So I was pleasantly surprised. It got my hair like really clean. Like, you know when they say squeaky clean? It like literally was squeaky, but it was like clean. I was like, whoa. It lathered pretty easily once you really got it wet. It definitely has a lot of fragrance to it, but I don't feel like it's stuck in my hair that much. I just love the convenience factor of this because liquids are such a nightmare to travel with. But yeah, it's made in Canada, and again, it's Lush, so everything is vegetarian with ethical buying. Most of the stuff's also vegan. And the next one is the Lush Sugar Daddy-O Solid Conditioner. I don't know why it's called that. I don't even think I realized that it was called that when I bought it. I literally got it because it's purple. Such a great reason. It says on it, hair conditioner. So that way, in case you forget if your Cookie Monster is for washing your hair or for conditioning your hair, you can remember. The smell is also very fragrant, but I didn't feel like it stuck in my hair too much. This, I might try another one. This one I found extremely hard to get enough like onto my hand to really make my hair feel like it was conditioned. I even tried like just putting it through my hair and instead of like scrubbing it onto my hand first to see if that would help, and it was really just a struggle. Yes, I would travel with this, especially if I'm going like somewhere internationally where I know that it's gonna be tricky for me to go easily find some very cheap small shampoo just to bring along with me, or conditioner to bring along with me. So I'll probably still bring this on my trip coming up. Maybe I'll practice, see if there's a better way I can make it come off. But I just got to the point where I actually just, in addition to this, just squirted some conditioner out that I already had in my shower, put it on my hair, and was like, okay. That being said, they have other ones in the store. that maybe work better. I probably will look and try and find another one and try it just because I am obsessed with how convenient this is. Okay, so one of these I think I'm gonna save for another video because I have an idea of something else to do with it, but it's definitely weird. So just know, come back. It's an early reminder to like and subscribe. I spent so much in there. They gave me little samples of things. One of these is a salt face scrub, which I'm actually not going to use because they use so much fragrance in their products that it's just not good for your face. Sorry. But this other one is this Handy Guru Goo hand cream, it says. And I have been using this a couple days, like a couple times, and it just feels so nice. It does make my hands feel kind of sticky, almost like I need to wash like the palms of my hands afterwards, but it just feels so nice. I don't even care. So, oh, yummy, yummy. I don't know why I said it's yummy. It's not yummy, it's not for eating.
You can eat it?
Everything there does kind of look like it's edible though. It feels so nice. I know this is like super fragrancy and I don't usually put fragrance on the skin, but it's on my hands. My hands are not easily irritated. I wouldn't want to touch my face after it is pressed for one thing that's like super, super slimy, but they feel so moisturized. I've got another one for you that I think can help with the travel situation. And this is called the weirdest thing. This was another reason it's just weird. It's called Silky Underwear Dusting Powder. This is not as weird as it sounds, but the reason why this is good for traveling, because again, this is a powder. It is not a gel or a liquid or a goop that is liquidy. So you can have like a moisturizer is basically what it is. It's like a body moisturizer, but it's a powder. You're gonna pour, well actually, maybe it's sealed. Ah, it's sealed. Whoa, it like squirted out at me. It smells like sunscreen, like you know like the coconut sunscreen? Huh, Derek really likes the smell of coconut sunscreen, so he's probably gonna be all excited about the silky underwear. That is such a weird sentence. I didn't mean it in a weird way. Okay. I wouldn't think of it as a moisturizer, but it does kind of leave this like silky, smooth touch to the hands. Huh. It's like a nicely scented, like smoothing baby powder. Even though it's not baby powder. I don't even know how to describe it. It's so weird. So if you want to have a matte finish to your skin, but you also want to feel really moisturized, this is a good option for you. And it's just such a weird product. So next one up is not a super travel-y one, but because we're a hair channel, I thought we would try this. It's called Sunny Day Anti-Static Hair Detangler. We've talked about other things that you can spray in your brush to get rid of static, but this one is like a combination static, frizz, and detangling spray. So I thought we would try it. We're gonna spray some in the hair, maybe this side. Ooh, it's such a, I love that it's such a fine mist. I feel like so many hair things like just come out with such like this huge mist where I feel like my hair is like soaked. I don't know if we're gonna be able to notice any visual difference, but you guys can tell me because I don't have a mirror. Anything that can help the comb to go through the hair more gently and allow it to glide through can definitely help for anti-tangling. So I could see how this would work well for that. I can't speak to the static too much because I don't feel like I was particularly staticky, but I like the idea of it, the smell. I feel like a lot of the things from Lush are a little bit more fragrant than I would usually like to use, but they're a fun experience. I feel like it all works together to kind of create this experience that I don't personally get a lot because I don't use a lot of fragrance-filled products. Oh, it really did seem to defrizz. I'm just looking at the reflection. Well, there we go. It works. Last but not least, I'm really excited about this. I have been waiting to try this. It's still in the package. This is Lush Queen Bee Hair Honey, which Welcome to the queendom. And we do a lot of hairy things around here. We needed to do this. So it has cocoa butter, some oils, beeswax, honey, some oils. Let's see what kind of oils, anyone that I'm recognizing here. There's a sweet almond oil. Let's just try this. And there's definitely fragrance in it. Lush, why do you make your stuff so fragrancy? Ooh, it's way more like easy to melt in your hands than I thought it was gonna be. I'm trying to just put this through my hair. I might have put a little much. It looks like cheese, does it not? All their products look so edible, and this one really, really looks like cheese.
You can eat it?
So we're gonna take this here. Oh, it really melts pretty easily. You definitely wouldn't want to leave that anywhere it was too hot. Oh boy, okay. I feel like I put so many Lush products on that I am a walking smell bomb. I'm like, aroma, I have arrived. Even in my barely reflection, that I can kind of see a difference. And I definitely noticed, like, I like this. I think I might have went a little crazy with the amount of cheese. What is that stuff? The honeybee stuff that I put in? I might have went a little nuts though. I think less is more. And I think this side of my hair was also just like a huge mess of tangles. Oh! Whoa! Okay, I'll just keep playing with that later. Anyway, those are our weird Lush products for today. Some of them just kind of really weird and I want to try them, and I still liked them. I don't think there was anything that I disliked. But really, I think the cool thing here that I found today is the ones that are kind of like little travel hacks. Particularly, I really like this little Cookie Monster bar. And you know what I liked even more than I expected? I think this detangling anti-static hair detangler, from the mild reflection I can see over here, I think worked better than I expected. So, anywho, you guys have to tell me in the comments below which of these products was your favorite, and or if you've ever bought anything from Lush. I hope this was fun for you and that maybe you got a little travel hack out of this, or just saw a weird new product that amused you. If you guys want to see more videos, remember to subscribe. I've got little hairs all over me. They're flinging off everywhere. We put out new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so ring the little bell if you want those to come right to you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. You get the double wave goodbye this time. It's like jazz hands. After our last isn't it great when in the first 2 seconds of filming we've already got a blooper for the end? It is like a grimace nugget. Woohoo! Woohoo! I don't know why I'm... Look, I got some of the Cookie Monster in there.